This is a recipe that is using the traditional pasta of Puglia, Orecchiette, and the Orecchiette are what the old ladies, the nonnas make, little ears, okay, that's the direct translation, with Rapini or cima di rapa, and then we have beautiful anchovies, pine nuts.
Oh, I love some pine nuts.
And you're not getting any right now, and raisins. This is gonna be a traditional aglio olio. Oil, garlic, and then we're gonna accessorize it to bring this simple dish to a whole different level. Cima di rapa. I'm gonna cut it just like that. This is kind of like a bitter green that is beautiful in this recipe. And just a little chomp. A little bit of garlic. Now everything goes to the stove to get cooked. When do we put our salt in? Emre?
When the water's boiling.
Brava.
Salt our seed.
Okay. A little stir. Nice. Olio. Okay, nice. Little bit of acciughe, just a rough chop. Now what I like, this gives lots of flavor. These kind of melt, so I don't chop them up too finely, Ems, because I want them to have little chunks in the sauce. Garlic. While that's working, Ems, look what I'm gonna do. We're gonna toast these.
Yes!
Toast, Ems. Okay, now these, you have to be very careful, Ems, because they go fast. Little picante. Woo, that might be a little
That's a
tough.
lot, yeah.
Ems, it's okay, tutto fa brodo. You know what tutto fa brodo means? Everything is good. In here, okay? Just for a minute. See this? Now once these start toasting them and get brown, there's a point of no return. Okay, so you take them off right away. Okay, so you look at, so you gotta keep your eye on the pine nuts. Oh, look how beautiful this little yams. Oh, mamma mia, come buono. Now we're gonna get this. We're going to put it all in. Look at that, Ems. And even if there's some pasta water in it, that's good, that's all flavor. What does pasta water do, Ems?
Makes it creamy.
Gives it starch. Beautiful. Oh my God, Ems, that looks so nice.
To be honest, Dad, I'm looking over at the pine nuts and like, I think you might need more. I love pine nuts, and right now,
Non toccare, Ems, non toccare. Actually, you know what, Ems, help me out. Grab the pine nuts, throw them into the rapini.
I get to do something.
You get to do something.
Yes.
Now, the smell. Can you tell everyone how amazing this is smelling?
It smells actually really
No,
good.
it does, right?
Yeah, like really good.
Okay. Not all recipes call for this, but Nonna Josie would add
Raisins.
raisin, because what it does,
It makes it
beautiful,
tastier.
it gives this beautiful contrast of the saltiness from the anchovies, the nuttiness of the pine nuts, and then the sweetness of the raisins. Find salt, the Brazilians.
This looks
It
good.
does look good, no?
Yeah.
Little bit of pasta water. Right? Emma put some in, but we're putting a little more in.
So I did a bad job.
No, you did a great job, but we're just gonna add a little more. Starting to dry up. Okay. Oh, beautiful. Okay, Em's here.
Pasta.
Okay, and now we're gonna put the flame on high, and we're gonna finish cooking it all. So see how the water's drying up, Ems? Okay, so that's good. It means it's ready. And now, we're gonna turn off the heat. Now we're gonna add Parmigiano. altre due.
Can I be the first one to eat? Because it was me who really made this happen.
Okay. Okay, so let me give it a try, Ems.
Not me. I should try alongside you.
Stop that. So look at that. Orecchiette with cima di rape, with pine nuts and raisins. Oh yeah.
It's good?
Oh yeah.
Is it hot?
Oh yeah. No, it's really good. Come on.
It's really good.
Yeah. Right out of the bowl, Italian style. You got it. Okay. That's good. It's good, right? Hot. Hot? Why are your eyes closed?
Is that